phonics for every child today. Jolly phonics, the easy way to reach. Jolly phonics, a sure good way to teach. Jolly phonics, a fun-filled way to learn. Jolly phonics for every child today.
Hello, Jolly Learners at Home. I am Jolly Abbas, and I'm here again to teach you the next letter sound. Before we start the lesson, I have two questions for you. One, what letter sound is this? X. Very good. Okay, action of this letter sound. Great. Okay, this time I will join you. X. Again. X. Very good. So the second one is, you are going to read this word for me. Okay? Can you read? Fantastic. So, can I help you? S, I, X. Together, 6. Very good. Okay, children, story. Story. Do you like my story? Very good. So Charlotte traveled on the train, and the train went faster and faster, and it makes sound like this. That's the story, children. So from this short story, give me the sound that train make in the story when it was moving faster and faster. Very good. Can you say it once? Very good. So show me the action you learned from the story. Exactly. Let us do it together. Very good. So this is the sound. This is the sound you hear in the story. The sound is ch. The sound is ch. Say it again. Ch. Very good. So this letter sound, is this a giraffe with a long neck, monkey tail, or turtle letter sound? Okay, giraffe. Yes, I know. Part of it, or first part of it, is what? Turtle. And the next part of it is what? Giraffe. So we are going to join them together. So let us look at the formation. Start from the point. Curve in. Go up. Come down, go off a little, robot arm, come down with a flick. Very good. Let us write it again. Start from the point, curve in, go up, come down, go off a little, make a robot arm, come down with a flick. We are going to write this little sound together in the air. Are you ready to go? Good. So you say you are ready to go. Where's your magic pencil? Okay, let us write it in the air. Magic pencil off. Okay. 1, 2. Start from the point. Curve in. Go up, come down, go up a little, make a robot arm, come down with a flick. Very good, children. Okay, one more. Here we go. Start from the point. Come in. Go up. Come down. Go up a little. Make a robot arm. Come down with a flick. Very good. So children, next we are going to write this letter sound in our Jolly Phonics People book. Remember to use your pencil. So in this section, a formation section in the book, we are going to trace the dotted ch sound, and then we write our own ch sound in the space provided. Good. Here we go. 1, 2. Can I join you? Okay. Start from the point. Come in. Go up. Come down. Go up a little. Make a robot arm. Come down with a flick. Very good. So you trace the remaining ones, and then at the end you write your own. So let me join you and write it together. Here we go. Start from the point. Come in. Go up. Come down. Go off a little. Make a robot arm. Come down with a flick. Very good, children. So let us quickly look at the blending section. So in this section, we are going to blend the sounds and read all of the following words. Good. With the first one, look at it here. Good. When I touch the sound button, you produce the sound for me. Ready? Ch. E. P. S. Okay, I know what to do. Give me the sound. Ch. This one. E. Put them together. Chi. Very good. Give me this one. P. So you have ch, p. Put them together. Tip. Very good. And the last sound is s. Chip. S. All together. Chips. Very good. Okay, children, let us look at the next word. Wow. Say the sound. Ch. O. P. S. Great. Okay. Ch. O. Put them together. Cho. Very good. And the next one. P. Okay. Cho. P. Together. Chop. And the last sound. S. All together. Okay. Chop. S. Put them, blend them together. Chops. Very good. Okay, children. Next is going to be in the book. When I touch the sound button, or I put my finger underneath the sound, you produce the sound. You also do the same in your book. Okay, bring out your book. Yes, page 32. Okay. B. A. Bunch. Next one. T. A. Chain. Very good. Okay, children. Wow. You are good. So, let us look at the next activity, which is exactly identifying sounds in these pictures. So, we are going to identify the sound we are learning in these 4 pictures. So, 3 of them contain the sound we are learning, and 1 does not. So, let's see. Touch the first picture, children. What is the name of this picture? Church. Very good. Do you hear sound ch in church? Great. Is this at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end? You are correct. At the beginning and at the end. Church. Very good. And then you color the picture of church. Next, exactly, chair. Do you hear sound ch in chair? Say it again. Chair. Is this, yes, you hear the sound, but is this at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end of the word chair? Exactly at the beginning. So you color the picture. And the next picture is tree. You are good. The picture is tree. So do you hear sound ch in tree? No. You are right. So you cross it out. You cross it what? Out. Okay. Touch the last picture. What's the name? Chick. So do you hear sound ch in chick? Exactly, you hear the sound. But is this at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end? Exactly at the beginning. So you color the picture. So get ready to count the sound in the following words. Are you ready? Okay. You ready? Chips. How many sounds? Okay, let us count together. Here we go. Ch, I, P, S. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exactly 4 letter sound, you are right. Roll for yourself. Roll. Good, children. So now, listen attentively. I'm going to call out a word, and you are going to write it down. You ready? Okay, bring out your exercise book. Okay, should I call the word? Right. You write chain. Chain. Okay. Very good. So children, before I go, I'm going to teach you one phrase. Good. So children, I'm going to help you read. Okay? Let us go together. Are you ready? When I touch the sound button, then you produce the sound. A, O, along. Very good. Ch, A. Okay, the sound button. So together, chain. Okay. A long chain. Very good, children. So here we come to the end of this lesson. Remember, we are going to look at our jolly song of the sound we are learning today.
Trains are chugging up the hill. Trains are chugging up the hill. Choo-choo.
Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.
Jolly phonics for every child today. Jolly phonics, the easy way to reach. Jolly phonics, a short good way to teach. Jolly phonics, a fun-filled way to learn. Jolly phonics for every child today. Jolly phonics for